Hello, my name is Rinske. Welcome to the digital workspace. I'm a third-year student product design and I'm going to show you around. Over here you see the milling machine where you can make all kinds of shapes and forms out of sheet material, like you see here. Over here is the laser cutter where you can also make all kinds of shapes out of sheet material but then thinner. So you can use wood or plywood, but also leather or plastics. We also have 3D printers, but they're in a different room. All of the ArtEZ students can make use of these machines and this workspace. Product design students like me are here quite a lot. And whenever we have questions about any of the machines, we can always turn to Bart. He's the workspace instructor and he knows all about the machines.